Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pay your Apple Store bill using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Apple Store app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Orders. Find the order or bill you want to pay and tap it to view details. If the bill isn't paid yet, you will see a Pay Now button. Tap it. Choose your payment method: Apple Pay, credit or debit card, or any safe payment option. Confirm your payment by using Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. Wait a few moments for the payment to process. Once the payment is successful, you will see a confirmation screen. You can also check your email for the payment receipt. And that's it. Your Apple Store bill is paid safely and easily right from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.